This debit card right here will be your best investment to date. In this video, we're discussing 3 reasons why you should upgrade to the Royal Indigo card or the Jade Green card. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name's Ben. I've made over 6 figures trading crypto, and I want to teach you guys everything that I know. Let's go. First reason to upgrade to this card is the staking numbers are increased. So something that's different from the Ruby Red card is you earn 10% APY on your $4,000 that are staked for the card. So you stake $4,000 to get this card, and then you earn 10% APY a year. So that comes out to $400 per year, $33.33 per month, and $7.69 per week. And it's so important as an investor to build up a passive income, and this card will help you do that. If you haven't signed up for one of these cards already, make sure to use my link down below, and you will both get a $25 bonus once you stake $400 for your Ruby Red card. I'd appreciate it so much. I've already gotten a couple people that have used my link, and it means so much to me, and it really helps out this channel. Now, on top of it increasing the staking reward to 10%, you also get an additional 1 to 2.5% on Crypto Earn, on their Crypto Earn program. So here on Crypto Earn, we're just going to do a couple examples. So with Polkadot, with the Ruby Red card, you get 6%, 8%, and 10%. But here with the Royal Indigo card, you get 8% flexible, 10% 1-month term, 12.5% 3-month term. So that's an additional 2.5% if you're using the 3-month term lockup. So when it comes to staking on the Ruby Red card for Bitcoin, you earn 1.5% all the way up to 4.5%. But here with the Royal Indigo, you earn from 2% all the way up to 6.5%, which is a big increase. And these extra couple percentages really make a big difference down the line. And then the last one that I'm currently using is USDC, or a stable coin, and you earn 6% to 10% with the other card, but with this one you earn 8% all the way up to 12%. So I have some of mine up for flexible with 8%, and then I have some also locked up for 10% with a 1-month lockup. So this is super nice to be able to lock up some stable coins and just earn that passive income. And that's one of my goals for the end of this bull run. And so we'll be talking about that in the next video. And then reason number 2 is all the different perks you get. First thing you get free Spotify, just like the Ruby Red card, which is the dual one. So you can use it for 2 people, and it's $13 a month. So up to $13 a month back. If you do that times 12, that's $156 a year. And that's also paid out in CRO tokens. And you can convert that to USD if you want to right away, or you can just hold on to those CRO tokens. And one of the things to keep in mind is you have to switch your payment method for Spotify to this debit card in order to get that reimbursement. Second thing is you get free Netflix. And this one is also the standard one. It's above the regular $10 one. So this one is $14 a month. And so that would be $168 a year that you save on that. And so this allows you to use up to 2 screens on it. And same thing as Spotify, you want to make sure for Netflix that you change your debit card to this one, or your credit card to this card, so that you get that reimbursement. So between that Netflix and Spotify, that's a total of $324 that you're getting back for that year. And wait, there's more. So you also get airport lounge access, which I haven't used yet, but I did just set it up on my phone. So now when I do go fly, I can use this airport lounge access. So airport lounges typically cost between $40 and $50 per person per visit, but some lounges charge as little as $25, and you get this access for free. And airport lounges, like I looked up to see, do airport lounges have free food? As a general rule of thumb, most things in an airline lounge are complimentary. At US lounges, most foods and drink are complimentary, with the exception of premium alcohol and the meals for purchase. And so how does it work? So here on crypto.com, there are more than 1,000 lounges and over 400 airports that are available, and they're free to our Obsidian, Icy White, Frosted Rose Gold, Jade Green, and Royal Indigo CRO card holders. And you don't need a separate card to use the lounge. You use your crypto.com card to get in. And another thing to note is this benefit does not expire after your 6-month staking lockup period ends. It still continues, so you can still use this benefit. And now this is how you get it. You activate your card once it arrives, and then you activate the lounge key by completing the online registration via the links below, which is something that I did while I was researching this, and it took me a matter of 5 to 10 minutes. And then something else you have to do is you have to enable international usage. So this is something that I had to do before I could complete the registration. And then you have to make sure you have enough balance on your card when you go to these places. So what they'll do is they'll charge you a little amount and they'll hold it just to show that your card is valid so that you can get access to the lounge. And then you'll just present your card once you arrive to the lounge. And here's the links on how to access it. And then, like I said, there's more than 1,000 lounges. And you can bring a guest, but there's gonna be a charge of $32 per guest after that. But for the people that have the Obsidian or Icy White, they can bring in one extra guest for free. Okay, so right here is my lounge access free of charge. Yes, but be aware that the airport lounge will need to put the following amount on hold to check if your Crypto.com Visa card is valid. Therefore, do ensure you have enough balance on the card. So for the card holder, you'd have to have $3.25 just as the hold for it. And then any guest, it's gonna be a $32 charge. So make sure you have that amount on your card, and after that, the funds will be released within 30 days. And on top of that, you get 3% back instead of 2% back. And this makes a huge difference. I've spent so much that I've earned $504.64 from CRO cashback, which means I've spent a total of $16,822.64. And that was all within the past 8 to 9 months. I've been spending it on rent, bills, YouTube courses, my business, and just so many other things, and it really adds up, and it's so nice to get that kickback. This is when I was using my card when CRO was around 6 to 7 cents. So for this purchase, I got 35.77 CRO back, which was 2% back at a purchase of $106.14. And now that 35.77 CRO is worth $5.54, or essentially 5.22% back on that purchase. And then right here, we're gonna look at another one of my rebates for Netflix. And so this was when it was at 8.3 cents. I got 168.8 CRO back. And now that CRO is worth $26.16, or basically double of what it was before. And then this last one, I got 169.08 CRO back at about 7 cents. And that's at 3% back on a $399 purchase, which was when I paid my taxes. I used Coin Tracker to help pay for those, and that was a sweet little kickback that I got from this. And so now that is worth $26.21, or essentially 6.57% back. And also when it was at 24 cents, this would be $40.58, and that would be 17 or 10.17% back, which is just insane. And then reason number 3 is the ROI on this investment is just insane. So feel free to download this Google Sheets that I made. This is just like the previous one, but I added a couple new things. I added the Netflix rebate on top of this, and then I also changed the percentages on the amount you spend so that this will change as well. And so for this, the price of CRO at the time of this recording is around 16 cents. And so the initial investment would be 25,000 coins to get that card. So that's $4,000. And then you're gonna earn 10% for staking that on these coins. So what I did is any additional coins, I put it at a 6%. So I times it by 6. So you earn 10% on the initial 25,000 coins. And then what I did is for each spot after that, I would times it by 0.6 right here so that you can get 6% back, because any additional coins you can lock up on Crypto Earn for 6% back. And so you can plug in any of the numbers here and this will change. Like for example, I'm on track to spend probably between $20,000 and $25,000 this year. And so my kickback will be around 4,000 tokens or even more for this year. And that's depending on when you bought, because I've had kickbacks so when I got it at 6 cents or 7 cents, and I've probably earned even more than that. And then also some at 20 cents. So it just depends on where your average is. So with no price change, if the price stayed the exact same, you would earn about a 22% return on your investment in 1 year, which is incredible. And now if there was a 25% return, which is very doable, they put the coin at about 20 cents a coin instead of a 22%. Now you're at like a 53% return on your investment. And now with this chart that I made, you can see how big your return on investment will be within 10 years, 20 years. You can just see how much it grows. Like in 5 years, you're already at over 500% return. And then in 10 years, you can see that you're already at over a 20x return. And then in 15, you're already at like 100x and so on. So this is really one that you can retire on, and you can make this passive income and really build a retirement off of this investment. In conclusion, we got the staking rewards increased for the card. You get 10% is an increase, and you also get additional 1 to 2% on your crypto earn that you're staking. Second thing is all the different perks: free Spotify, free Netflix, airport lounge usage, and then also 3% back on all purchases. And then number 3 is the ROI on this investment is insane over time. So make sure to drop a like down below if you like this video. And you can also download this Google Sheets if you want to plug in these numbers and see what your investment would look like years down the line. And remember, as always, keep it in the green.